He gave us two homework, right?
You didn't do the answer.
Yeah, we'll start from the beginning. Let's see what's in the answer.
You need to understand this.
This is good.
So that everyone can find something else in the sense of.
That was the. You gave us another homework also.
Huh? I didn't give you a homework. No, I wanted to try.
Oh, yeah, what is it?
Yeah, this one here.
The minus here, the minus here, that's what we
Just say
said.
mine's in.
So we're supposed to do this example, and then this one here. To try to solve.
Yeah, we finished with that one. 94 is the thing.
Yeah, there's a.
Okay, so okay, okay then. Okay, so you're gonna solve for x, y, and z, right? So you know for x is nx d, y is ny d, z and z. Okay, alright. So let's break it up now. Let's start with nx first. Okay, just for space wise.
And understanding wise.
Yeah. Okay. So nx, we take in 4, 7, and 8. We're gonna substitute it. Yeah, agree?
Yes.
Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 1, minus 2, minus 4.
Yeah.
That would be
Minus 3, 5, minus 1.
okay. So I think the sign.
Did you start the recording?
Yeah. And the sign.
Yeah, the sign of the 4y, I think.
Yeah, maybe that's where we were from there. Because we were rushing it down there, I remember.
No, it was
No, but it's
No, it's not.
in the book it's different.
The book is plus. The book is plus.
In the book it's plus.
Yeah.
You say it's plus in the book.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's work with it like this here then.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
It'll be our own example.
Yeah.
Okay. Then how do we open this up? First, let's start with which row we'll take. Let's take the top row. Okay. So how do we calculate our sign first? Always calculate the sign first. So it will be minus 1. First row, first column. 1 plus 1. Okay. Then we multiply by our element. Alright. Then we break it up. So we got our first row, first column. We got minus 2, 5, minus 4, minus 1. Minus 2, 5, minus 4, minus 1. Is that correct?
Yes.
Right. Put the plus there for now. Work out our sign. We got second column, first row. So it will be 1 side. So it will always be positive, negative, positive if you are working with the first row. If you're working here, it might be a little bit different.
So I took a column. I used
a
a
column.
column. Yeah.
Okay, then we
So that's also
should-
correct.
Yeah, that's also correct. Anything you use.
Okay.
Anything. Alright. So this will obviously be negative. But we won't use it now. Sorry? 1. So we block out this column, block out that row, we got 7, 5, 8, minus 1. 7, 5, 8, minus 1. Right. Last one. So minus 1. Third column, first row. 3 plus 1 multiplied by the element or minor. Block of the top row. Column 7 minus 8.
Minus 4.
Minus Right, now it's second order everywhere. Okay, so this here is a positive form. We've got minus 2 times minus 1, that is 2. Minus 4 times that, minus 20. Minus 20. Okay, is that right? Right, so this will be minus. Minus 7 there. Minus 5 times it? 40. Right, this will be positive. But positive times the negative is? Negative.
So, wait, hold on. Why did you go minus, say,
Minus
instead
and
like
minus.
between the square brackets?
Then multiply today.
7 times minus
How
1 is?
times the
Minus
negative?
No, but didn't you supposed to add the square brackets?
What check?
No,
The second part.
go to the,
Yeah.
go to the right, go to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, in between those two, shouldn't that be a positive?
Now you're minus.
No.
What's minus?
In your spread.
Remember it's an odd number.
It's an odd number, so it's not.
Okay, so you
Yeah,
just
minus
split
one
out.
times-
Okay, let's see what the answer comes out.
So negative.
No, let's just straighten it out.
Yeah.
1 plus 2 is 3, right? Anything to the power of an odd number
It's negative.
will be a negative. So minus
Negative
1
times
to the
positive.
power of 3 is going to become minus 1. Minus 1 times plus 1 is
Minus.
Minus.
Yeah, so I did slightly.
So this one here is for this.
But not to confuse me, I kept the positive and I left brackets in there, and then when I multiplied it out.
Oh, so you're doing an extra
The
step.
longer way, yeah.
Well, actually, it's a shorter step.
I'm not signing it.
Right, this here will be positive times the negative is
Negative.
negative, so it'll be 3. Right. Right, so 7 times that there. That should be 28.
Minus.
So it'll be minus. That will be
Minus 16.
right. Is that fine, guys?
Minus, yeah.
Right, let's open it up. Calculate this way. 2 plus 2. That's
At
8. Right. What's inside this bracket?
47.
47.
Negative.
Negative, so that'll be plus
37.
47. Yeah.
Plus 36.
Plus 36. Okay, so getting the final answer for NX?
171.
171. Alright, right, NX is done. Let's start with delta. So we'll calculate delta once, and then we'll carry it on until the end, right? Okay, so delta will stay the same as the left hand side. It will be 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3, 5, and minus 1. Right, exact same thing again. So you take the top row. Since we are comfortable with using the top row, we'll stay with the top row. Okay, so it will be minus 1, 1 plus 1 times 2, minus 2, 5, minus 4, minus 2. Right, done. 1 plus 2, 1. So that will be 1, 5, 3, minus 1. 1 plus 3 times minus 3. That will be 1, minus 2, 3, and minus 4. Okay. Everybody's following? Yeah, with it. So you see, it's all repetition. Continuous repetition.
Yeah, the problem
Why
is.
the in one 2 and 4?
Why is that?
Last one 2 and 4.
Because you blocked out the.
I'm asking because if you look in the example in the book, it says minus 3 and 5.
Maybe
we
they
blocked out the
different-
first one.
maybe they
We
use
blocked out the
different
first row.
First row,
Maybe
yeah,
they
so
use
it's
a different
minus 2
row
and
that they
5.
blocked out.
What row did they block out?
If we block out the first one,
Then the
If you block out the first row and the first
it's
one,
minus 2 and
5,
5, minus 4,
minus
Minus one.
you block out the middle
In
one,
that example, they must have blocked out the first
if we block out the middle one,
but this is
One,
this is a
five,
3 and
3 and 1.
block out the last one,
It's 1 and 3.
minus 2,
And the second you're looking at also on.
minus 1.
minus 1.6.
Let me see this. So which one you
It's not the same, it's the same thing. But it says right here, so what is it now? This is the long term one.
So can we go minus 2?
Everything else is the same. No, no,
So you see, for delta they're using
Minus 2.
1,
Yeah.
3. They use column 1. We using row 1.
Oh, okay.
Textbook is using column 1. I said since
So
we
for the
are
bottom, for the bottom.
yeah, we're working on delta now. So delta they working along the positive side. See, they didn't want to work with the negative, so they used
Oh, that way.
that way.
Okay.
I said instead of confusing ourselves with working row there and column here,
But then we
let's
get the same answer.
get the same answer.
Yeah.
Any row, any column you use, you get the same answer. Alright. So I don't want you to get confused. If you are choosing a row, stick with that row. Don't go choose whichever one you feel comfortable. You look at it, you say, okay, I want to work with this row throughout, work with it. Don't go and change it because you get confused. Right. And plus as well, you'll see the same thing over and over. 2, 1, minus 3. Almost the same thing. And the signs. So you'll be familiar with it throughout the process. But if we go and we change it to the column of signs and everything I want to change. Okay, so you see, we'll have the same signage here as well. Because these are the same. You see? Let it be a nice flow coming down.
I just use the first column.
Yeah.
That's easy
Yeah,
for
so if you're just using the
columns.
first column, stick with the first column. Okay? Don't go and confuse it under the test. Right. Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Okay, let's open this one up. Got 2. That will be 2 again. Minus 20. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this right? Right, so the next one will be minus. So that will be minus 1 minus 15. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Then you got plus here times a negative, negative 3, minus 4, minus 6. Is that fine?
Okay.
Okay, let's open up. What's this bracket for you?
Positive.
Positive, okay. What's the number? 44.
44.
44. Alright. Next one, next bracket?
13.
Should be 13.
Why 13? Super 13.
Minus 1 times minus 13.
No, that's not right. That's not.
How's it
Oh, you
13?
have 15.
Minus 1 minus 16.
So this is going to be plus 16. Plus 16.
What about Trevor?
Well, let's see the final answer because I use the wrong, the different row.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So who used this same row as me?
Me.
Use, okay.
But
I'll go with it.
okay.
Alright,
So next one will be the
last
first.
one?
The last one is 13. Plus 13.
Right, so what's the final answer for delta? 44 plus 16 plus 30?
90.
9. Yes, 90.
Okay,
Okay.
54.
Right?
That's
Yeah,
fine, okay.
that's okay.
Huh?
Right, now I'm just following your.
What you got?
But it's right. It's right.
We'll test it out just now, okay?
Okay.
Right, so we got x is equals to fx over d. We got our nx to be 171. We got our d to be 90. Give me a decimal about that.
Sorry, I think I missed the next course. What are we doing now?
We're working out the final solution of
Minus
x.
x.
Okay.
Okay. 171.
1.9.
What is it?
1.9.
1.9.
1.9. Right. So that is our x. Okay, so just remember the answer is 90. Okay. So we got x to be 1.9. So the steps is right. Right. The only way you would get something wrong is with the signs and with your values. That's the only way you would actually get it wrong. Everything else, method is correct. Okay. So but the 16 minus 1 minus 15 is
No,
minus
no, no, I
16.
got there. I understand that.
Yeah, where you buy it. Only because you work with another column, it's going to.
Yeah, but I have 54. It's not 90. Doesn't that right?
The signage. You must don't work with multiplication just like this. So don't work with it like this. So if I'm showing this bracket now, see the way you did it, you said 2 times 2 times minus. Don't do it like that. You can get confused. Keep it in the brackets like this here. Because with the brackets we use board mass. Everybody remembers what's board mass. So you work from the inside coming out. Work whatever's in the bracket first, then come out. Okay? So stop using it just straightforward multiplication. So somewhere along the line, I think your signage was wrong. Yeah. The signage was wrong.
Negative, it's not negative.
Just remember
I am
that.
2. I have 6 negative. I have 4 plus. 4 plus. Yes. 6 times 1 is 4. Minus 4.
Understand it?
4.
Guys?
Minus 3.
Good.
Yeah.
Follow it.
Then you multiply by minus 3. No, plus. Plus. Yeah. Okay, then so system that we have and then minus 4 no plus it's minus 4 minus 6 plus 6 minus 4 plus 2 so plus 2 plus 6 minus 3 plus 2 minus 6
Right, now we're working out y.
Which one?
And y. We got 2, 1, 3. Substituting our
Minus
4,
7 and
7 and 8. Right. So again we start to assign first. So you can see guys, it's very tedious. It's the same thing over and over and over again. You get bored with it. That's why it's for so little marks. So there's not much they can manipulate it. It's straightforward method here. It's not like integration, it's not like trigonometry where they can try and bluff you with a different scenario or a different manipulation of it. This here is straightforward. As long as you put everything in one order, straightforward, 8 marks, like that. Okay? Minus 1. So you're going to use this same top row. So, times 2. Take knock it out. 0, 5, 8 times. Yes.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm the one that not seeing right or what.
What's happening?
The example that we're dealing with earlier on the previous one.
Yeah.
For the last part, we got 30.
we went wrong somewhere.
So here it's in the brackets. It's minus 4, minus and negative 6.
Okay.
So if we're doing the board mass, that one will become a positive 6. This one. And then we add it to this, and it becomes a negative, positive 2. Then you times it by the negative 3, it becomes a negative 6.
How you got
Nikki, how you?
How you got 30?
Yes.
How you got 30?
I got negative times negative, positive, but there's the minus sign in between the two.
But you don't times anymore. Because we already times with the 1, we already multiplied with the 1.
Minus 3, so it's 4, minus,
So the answer is supposed to be 60. I mean 30.
Get some?
But the denominator,
There's a 1 here, right?
Yeah.
So you multiply this negative 1 with the negative 6, it becomes a positive 6. So this thing becomes a minus 4 plus 6, which is a positive 2.
Then you multiply the positive 2 by the 3 and the negative 2 that is outside the bracket.
oh, don't tell me math was right there, I just fix this.
So this one is supposed to be a negative 6.
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Yeah,
So
not
what's your
30.
answer?
Not 30. That's 60 minus 6 is 54.
I didn't have an answer. I didn't do
54 was over 90. 54 over 90.
Yeah, it's about 54 over 90.
So I will write there,
It
negate.
will be 54 over
Oh,
90.
it's shouting at me. What's the 54?
So this one is supposed to be
54 over 90.
minus 6. Then it becomes
54 over 90.
54 over 90, yeah? And then,
Why 54?
No, the 90 comes out.
what do you mean?
The 54 goes there with the 90.
Let me double check with the girls.
That's
Let me see, because I wrapped it up
Oh,
already.
no, no,
Oh, it's 174 over 54.
One, yes.
What's the delta?
What did you get?
One
The delta is 54.
54 is the
Yeah.
line.
Yeah, the delta is 54.
You never do it.
Okay.
Yeah, delta is
What's your phone?
54.
You're following on the board.
Luckily, I didn't do
Why
my
you-
homework, so I was double checking.
Okay, so 1 times 4
Mm.
is negative 4
Mm-hmm.
minus 3 times 2 is negative
Okay, let's go back and do the delta again.
So it's negative 4 and the negative times the positive. Negative times the negative becomes the positive. So it's
Yes.
positive 6 and negative 4.
Oh,
Yes.
That's how you get 2.
Mm.
So it's not 30, it's 2.
No,
It's 6. It's negative 6.
Negative 2
The
plus
2 is still in the
times
bracket,
three,
then it
right?
turns by negative 3.
Times 3 is the 6.
Mm.
Then it's 44. That's 6. Yeah.
We're still over here, I'm still having.
Okay, I got 54 then.
Hey?
I'm still lost now.
Have you got 54?
Yeah.
So now it becomes 44 plus 16 minus 6.
Oh, because it's a negative. Okay.
So
Oh, that's. You know what? Come see it.
So what is here?
You know what I did in my book? I actually put a plus there.
Oh, you put a
I
plus.
actually put it there, but no, because it's negative times the negative, I don't put it as a, I put it as a positive.
So it's
that's where it's going
166.
Right?
167.
Sorry, Jeva. Luckily we got into fix.
Anti-pest, I think.
Maria, can you work on the calculation?
So njengamanje ngiyazenza
That's what we are saying.
delta asikho
Sibuye emuva. Siyade lokhu x kade siwenza kuqala sibeka onke calculate u-delta. So silungisa wona.
Final answer over.
3.167.
And another fraction.
171. 54.
Over
54.
54.
So it's 3.16, right?
Someone's called.
Yeah, that's my fault. Oh,
You want it?
it's not 12.
Where are you getting a 12 from?
6. What's a 12? 6.
6. 3 times 2 is 6, not 12.
Oh, sorry. Oh, Hey, 54. Happy.
Right.
This time I was trying to do the calculation with you. I don't want trusting anyone's answer. Making me look bad. And I'm on video too.
Can we delete that last part of the video?
Oh! Okay, now sorry about this. 54. Just the last part. Just the last part. Just change.
It's only the
Lapha
one
lapha
side.
nesatheleni ususulokuza nawo.
It's only this lost.
Yeah, ususa lo teki lo.
Right, let's work this one together properly.
Minus 6.
Okay.
Minus 6.
Finish taking up.
Yeah, minus 6.
Just delta is just 54.
Yeah, but that'll affect all your answers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just calculate x for me again.
3.167.
1.6 minus 6.
Please can someone verify?
Yeah, that's right.
One of you
3.167.
3.167. For sure. I'm not going to rewrite the whole thing again, huh? Okay. So,
3 decimal.
two decimal is fine for now, unless the
book,
examiner says three. Always read the instructions for the examination. They'll tell you whether they want 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places.
Okay.
That they can mark you completely.
So if it's 2 decimal, then it's 1.17. 3.17.
It'll be 1.
X is not given, right?
It'll be, if it's 2 decimals, it's 1.
1.7.
1.7.
1.6.
It is 1.67.
Okay. Alright. Can we work out y now?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I did the first part, right? Let's continue. So we're going to use the same. So, Trevor, you already used the column only.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if it comes up to yours again. Okay, so it's 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Top row, middle column, we got 1, 5, 3, and minus 1.
Yeah.
Is that 5?
Yes.
Okay. 1 plus 3 times minus 3. Plot out the top and last column. So that will be 1, 7, 3, and 8. Okay, that's 5?
Yes.
Right, let's open up now. We got 2 minus 7 will be 44. Okay, is that fine?
Yes.
Right. Minus 4, minus 1, minus 14. That's fine?
Yeah.
Right. Positive sign right there, it will be a negative. 8 minus 21. Okay. Is that fine?
Yes.
Right, let's open our brackets. What is this bracket here?
Should be
47 times 2?
94.
94.
Minus 94.
Okay. Yeah? Minus 16 times
16 and minus times 4 is positive 64.
positive 64.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. 8 minus 21?
39.
It's 39. The ones with 39.
Okay. Positive 39.
Positive 39.
Right. So what is y? The next, I mean ny?
9.
9.
9.
Yes.
Can we verify each other?
Yeah, I got 9.
You got 9.
Okay.
The numbers are different.
Yeah, numbers are different.
But the answer is the same.
Right. So you can see Trevor did it with this first column here. Alright. But he still got ny to be 9. So it shows any column you use, we just proved it now, it will still give you the same answer. Okay. So if
The
you all
signs
want,
confuse you, man.
huh?
The signs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's going to confuse you, yeah.
No, that's why I do it this way. This way, you can't get confused.
Yeah, so why I'm doing it with the negative there, just to get you prepared for anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, so let's get our final value of y. We got ny over d. We got 9 over 54. Give me a decimal there.
0.17.
0.17. Okay, Nikki got that one right. Okay.
The other sugar, right? This is denominated
I
here.
got the delta.
Yeah, that's the.
Everybody?
9.
Oh, you got the. Alright.
Yes, and now.
So, everybody happy with y? Huh? Happy with y? Okay, guys? You're happy with that? You didn't get time to scrutinize, right? Right, if most of you have it, then that's right. Okay, you take it up? Alright. Okay.
So, is it fine if I show like this without showing the additional steps?
So you get a mark here,
We need to show.
get a mark here, get a mark here, and get a mark there, and a mark there. So yeah. Sometimes you might get double marked here.
So if you don't show,
You add the.
even if you got the answer right, they can give you less marks.
Come again?
So if you get the answer right and
depending on your marker. So if they feel like, okay, you got the answer right, let me just tick, 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 it's fine. But if like someone like me is going to want to see how your method is, I'll go scrutinize everything. See,
They all make time.
So what would you do if how I didn't get?
hey, that's why I can't understand what you do. That's why I looked at someone else's book. Because you got like your too many.
No, because I use the calculator to calculate these.
Yeah. Oh, so you just cut out the.
I cut off all the.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
All your events.
This year I'm only showing this year so that we can calculate it together.
Put everything in the calculator.
Yeah. But be careful with that, eh? Be careful with that.
I always double check the
Yeah.
signs and the thing.
But that also
before I
takes up
suppose.
more time, you see. Instead of just writing it on full, the calculator will check in 3 times again. Check everything once it's done. Might as well just send it one time like this and work.
Yeah, but the signs are.
But
Well,
like you
whatever.
said, we need to add those steps for more.
If you get the final answer.
No.
But we're not aiming to get that there, we're aiming to get it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so however you want to do it.
The work the second out, just work that second out. The bracket.
So calculate this already in your head or this one. We're done about that.
This makes it easier. I think
Yeah, you can do
the
that.
signs.
But just be careful as you put it in the calculator. Just
Yeah.
for one. Right. Okay? You okay? Right. You okay now? Right. You're taking that homework now. Okay, now. Let's just take it down. We'll work with it at home. Yeah, but just be careful with that. Because it happens with it.
Yeah.
Okay, lose a lot of marks. Okay, can I go to Z?
They suggest I do the brackets, do
So,
one more step.
so if I was you, right, you work this out, that's fine. But then show how, you don't have to show it like how I did it, but show how you multiply this, because they like looking at your cross multiplication.
Okay. And then I can put it
And
in
then you
calculator.
don't even have to come here, you just put it one shot and get it, that's it. That's fine. Okay, but they love looking at how you cross multiply, because this is where the mistakes happen with the signage and stuff, we witnessed it already, right?
Multiplication.
Yeah, so show this step, but cut out this step. That's my suggestion. Okay, I'm just doing this so that we can be on
I'll
the
try
same
that.
page. Right. So what's our y? We said it's 0.17.
Nine.
Right, working out nz now. Last one.
Nine.
4, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone following?
Yeah.
Nine.
First step is kicking with the first row. 1 plus 2 minus 2, 7 minus 4,
4, 8.
8. Perfect. Alright.
954.
Let's go 1 plus 2
Times
times 1.
1,
Okay, so that will be 173, 8. Right. We got 1 plus 3 times 4. We got 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4. Right, everything is fine there. It's fine. That's it. Okay, so that will be 2. We got minus 16 minus 28. Is that right?
I already came with the answer.
Oh, you went straight to the answer. Someone verify this way? Minus 2 times 8 is minus 16, alright?
16
Yeah.
and 28.
Yeah, 28.
Okay, that's fine. So this will be a minus. Right, that will be 8 minus 21.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so that will be positive.
Plus 4.
That's 4, that will be minus 4, minus 6.
Minus 6.
Okay, that's Nikki's problem.
Yeah.
Okay, let's work this out. This will be minus 16 plus 28 times 2. What do we get?
12, 24.
24. Right. Okay, so 8 minus 21 times minus 1.
13 minus 13.
No, positive.
Positive 13.
Plus negative times
It's
negative.
8 minus
Positive.
21, that's plus positive 13, yeah.
Positive.
Yeah,
Okay, let's work this out now. That will be minus 2 times
it's 8.
8.
minus 8. Perfect. Right, get me final answer?
45.
45. Can I verify?
Yeah.
45?
Plus
24 plus 13 minus 8.
minus 8.
Okay, minus 8 is.
Yeah,
29.
it's minus
29.
Yes.
And 45.
So,
Now we were
where's the signage?
37 minus
my sign
minus
bracket.
37
Minus negative
that's
times
29.
negative.
That's 29.
Yes.
So this
Positive
becomes,
2,
yeah, this
Yeah.
becomes,
positive 2, right?
Mm.
Then it's positive 4, really now. So it's positive 4
let's do
times
it now,
positive
so
2.
yes, it's
Look in
positive.
that bracket.
So this
So
is
it's
going to be positive.
positive 4 times positive 2.
That is
It's
positive.
positive 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's positive 8.
Positive 8. So what's this going to be? 40?
47.
45.
Do I need to do I need to start doing my calculation?
45.
Plus 30
45.
plus
45.
8
Yeah,
is equal to
45.
45.
It's 45. It's
Guys, I need
47.
to check your signage there. See, this is what would happen if you put it straight into the calculator. Okay, Trevor? See, we get something like that there. The same thing we did it before. Just because we changed the sign here now, you saw what happened. But you've been very quiet on it.
Well, he's confused.
You're right. You may.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Minus 1 is
Power 2 is positive. Yeah. At least remember I said, if this is 2 on top, this will be positive. This is 3, this will be negative. This is 4, this will be positive. All odd numbers will be negative. Okay? So that's why I'm not even calculating this portion, I'm just doing positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, can we calculate Z? Z is equals to n0. So it's 45 divided by 54. What's our answer?
0.83.
0.83.
minus 1 to the
Okay,
square.
8 marks
Oh, yeah.
for free.
Hey. That's a lot of work.
But those are your bankers. Okay, everybody's happy with this? Okay, let's do 2 more like this here. It's gonna be long, but we're gonna stick it in our heads. So it can become like, even if we sleep, we'll be able to do it.
I think up until the second scale, that will be easy. It's this other bottom part.
So,
Yeah, you can get everything up.
Yeah.
So,
science. That's
as
what's
a
gonna
class,
happen. Yeah.
let's agree to use either a column or a row, and then we all use the same thing,
So
so that
whatever you come, see now, like you comfortable
with the first row.
You stay with it.
Well, now I can change it to anyone,
Anyone.
as long as we're all the same, then
Yeah.
when we're checking
So
our answers,
why I'm only
it's easier
using
to
the
see where
first
we
row
go
is because
wrong.
we started with the first row from yesterday. So I'm sticking with the first row.
What is important, Trevor, is
The answer.
the answer, the final
Doesn't
answer.
matter.
Yeah, but you see, if you go wrong, and people got different answers, you can't see where you went
Well, in
wrong.
the exam, you're not
Yeah.
going to see where you're going wrong with other people. You know?
Yeah, I know, but in the classroom setup, it's,
So let's
Maybe you
follow.
are.
so we use the first row.
I'll
I'll
switch
switch-
it in our own way, huh?
So I'll switch to the first row then, we all use the top
Yeah,
row.
if you want, you can do that. Then.
Right.
When I was in campus, I used to only use first column.
Actually, the first one.
That's
the
what
column.
Makes
I
it easy.
only use first
Actually
column.
makes it easy.
First column. I used to do terminal. But as soon as I saw negatives, I went wherever I wanted to go. So see, I see like negatives here. I'll choose the column or row that always negates.
The negatives.
Yeah.
It makes it easier.
You see, so I don't have to get confused down here. So that's what I used to
To keep it positive.
do. Okay, but for now we just use the first
So
one.
in other words, if that's middle
So
row
what I'm trying to say
negatives,
is, the more you do these examples and the more you play around it, you'll be able to come to a point where I was, where I knew exactly which column would negate most of this here. Maybe only in one calculation I'll come up with a negative, but most of the time I was getting positives all the time. As long as you keep doing, you'll come to that mindset where you know just how to play around.
Yeah, but for now we agree.
If you just keep changing it,
No.
you'll get better understanding
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
So
So that's where your own work comes in. For now, I'm just doing it as an understanding project.
that's yeah.
Okay? Okay.
Can I just ask?
Yeah.
Can you maybe, because you're saying that now, if when we do examples, can you switch it around? So we
Okay.
can see how the different way of doing it when we turn it around.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, like if you use another column or something else.
Yeah, and I think we use the middle column.
Yeah, because you can in case we get caught some.
So you can give us another example or you can go through another one?
Yeah, I'm gonna go through two more just to get it stuck in here. It's gonna become boring once you stick with it.
Once it's boring, it's boring.
Yeah, absolutely. Once you go in, do it even more. So it becomes second nature. That's what I want.
You won't even know why you're doing it.
Exactly. You just do it. You see the final answer before you see the question. You understand that?
Is that like a signal?
We're on record, yeah?
For every element.
Okay, so I took these examples from our textbook, but in our exercise. Right. Who's coming tomorrow?
I'm coming.
Coming. Coming. Anyone else? Not coming.
Maybe next week.
So, okay, so tomorrow I'll keep you up, but I think most of them might come. Okay, so they can take a picture and take some issues. Is that?
What?
You coming tomorrow? Yeah.
So you can have a lesson tomorrow.
No, I'm just going to do examples. And then I'll give my homework.
Tomorrow.
I just know my class, but I think in the afternoon.
And you will record tomorrow.
Yeah.
New substitution to z, lower x, y.
Right, guys.
So
I want y'all to work this one out.
I'm going to suggest that maybe each step and then we check it and make sure we don't.
Okay, y'all work it out. Pick. So just from looking at this here, you already see the matrix. What? Which row, what column you want to pick?
First one.
First column.
That's fine.
Pick this here. Alright. So you all work it out like that. You'll work out x first, and then I'll come with it afterwards. Right. Attempt it on your own. Yeah. Try using the column.
now.
Okay. So you'll work downwards. Okay, try it out.
change the column. I'm confused now.
No, it's the same thing, you just block and the figures that are left.
So you block into the 4, the 5 and the 0. Huh?
Hmm?
The 4, the 5 and the 0.
You block the 4,
And
the 2 and the 1 on the top, and the 5 and the 0, the first one, number 4, on 4. Then you got minus 1, 2, 1 and 1. That's what
And
left.
when you come to 5,
5, you
it'll
block
be
that
out
middle
of 2
row.
and minus 1 and 1 and 2.
No,
Oh,
there'll be 2 and minus 1, and then the bottom is 1 and 1.
1 and which one? 2. Does
No,
it
you
say,
block the
oh,
row.
it says not 2, sorry.
Okay, okay.
See? I'm confused now.
Okay, guys, that's the third factor there, it's Z, sir,
That's it, okay.
and it's not 2's.
Okay, so wait now. Besides the blocking, the factors in front of the thing,
The elements.
Yeah, the elements. That will change with their flag.
Yeah, whatever column you're using, that's the element.
For all of them.
Yeah. Whatever minor you get,
Yeah.
it will be attached to the element. So if you're using element 4, you'll have the minor for it. Okay? So if you're using element 5,
Yes, but now if in between the y, in between the y, it won't be the 450 then. It's gonna it'll change.
yeah, it'll change. So once you take the 450 here,
Yeah. So that means it'll become the
Sorry guys,
the
one
split.
point. Sorry, man. I'm just going out to the department, so I might be a little late for my lesson. If you haven't completed your CPO activity, you can start with that, right?
Okay.
Okay.
whatever the column is here,
Activity here is
Nganga.
1.1. Yes, or what?
It didn't give us all. It's also
Yeah. So I think
That's what it is.
okay, so whatever is in this matrix here,
Yeah.
use it.
Yeah, in the first column.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use the first thing.
Yeah. Whatever is in this matrix.
Alright.
Okay, so if once when we put y here, then our new column will be 3, 8, and 6. Understand?
Okay. Alright. No, I'm just wondering
Yeah.
because we're changing the
See, that was confusing.
yeah.
It's
Why
actually
it's 1
changing
plus 1
password.
is not 3 plus?
Okay.
Wait, yeah, it's 3 plus, not 2 plus.
Hmm?
The rows
Okay.
on top,
What you talking about?
the power. Yeah, 3 plus 1.
So column 1,
0
Row
plus
three.
column plus column.
column row, it's
But it's the same.
the same thing.
Okay.
3 plus 1 is same as 1 plus 3.
If you work with the rows, it's going to be 1 plus 3.
Yeah, that's fine. For me, I always start with the 1, that's all. So it's easier. Okay, once you get down to this step, everything else is just simple calculation. So, primary school calculation. Tell me if I'll get to this step, if it looks the same.
Yeah.
So there's no need to find. We need no 1 plus 3. 0, anyway, things.
Yeah. So continue.
So 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times minus 5 times 1 times 5. So the answer is minus 1. Or minus 1. Yeah, it's minus 2.
Isso, deixa eu ver.
I wanna it's minus
17.
2 minus minus 1.
Oh, it's minus 2.
2 minus minus 1.
Okay. 2 minus 2
And
is about 2 minus minus 1.
So if it's not done, you can just clean it out, just in case. Delete that, those one need to.
Don't get on it. Prove it or close.
12. Minus 12. Negative 12.
Okay,
Now look at the zero. The zero.
Minus 1 is plus 2.
what you know about?
Now what's that?
What's your final answer?
so
2 minus minus 1.
No, for that, for that.
Yeah, for
So
the
the fact negative, negative.
yeah, for the total.
Yeah.
Negative 5 times 2 times 1.
You have minus
No, times 3.
True, lah. So what?
Minus.
That's why we are times, negative. This is negative 1.
Yes. Oh, minus 1. No minus 1.
Oh, no, man.
So,
Until they replicate in the term.
yeah. Minus 1.
Oh, yeah.
Minus into minus.
Oh, yeah.
the whole thing.
Let's go there, here.
Sure, now. Minus 15.
Yeah, just for in X I'm looking for.
Yes.
Oh, 27. Minus 27.
Yeah. Minus 12. Minus 12 minus 15 to minus 27.
Yeah, minus 27.
Yeah.
Check it out.
That's called a 10.
Hi. You already mentioned delta.
4 minus
Delta.
Okay, most of y'all have already worked it out. Okay, can we open up the brackets?
Yeah.
Okay. Positive number, right? So it'll be 4 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. This side? Right. So that will be negative. Negative 5, 2. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay. That will be positive. Right. 4. Right. Is that fine? That will be minus 12. Is that fine?
Minus 15.
Minus 15. That will be 0. Okay, so what's this?
minus 27.
Okay, Kaya, just check your signs real quick. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, signs.
Just the 27.
Right. You leaving around.
No, I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the 15.
The sign will be 14.
The side. I know the side, yeah.
Okay, can you find out where you got the sign wrong?
That's right.
You found it. Alright, that is indeed correct. Let's start with our data. Okay, the data will just be 3, 8, 6, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, and 1. That's me. Okay, let's start. Can I just double check and give a sign there for delta as well, okay?
Minus 1, 2.
Yeah, that's right. Go for delta now.
So we're doing delta now.
Yeah. Which one? What's
Is
that?
that minus 1 for delta at the top, that side, right hand side?
This one? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it's minus 1. I don't know this one.
That's not on the row.
Three number one.
And okay. 180 positive.
It's minus one.
Yeah.
Minus two, one. So it's going to be minus two. Minus two. Minus one.
We'll be the person. Minus one and minus two.
Yeah, a small one and one.
One and one is answer. It's positive.
It's
She's
minus.
signing that.
No.
That's right. One is a detail. Very well positive. One is a detail.
It's
Good.
Yeah, I think it's that. Minus 15. I'm getting it now.
Yeah,
I think that's outside
the
the scan.
petition, you'll get that.
Understand why it's saying that.
Shouldn't
Minus
be.
15. That's
where the engineering comes in now. This here is just mathematicians. This is what they like to do. Engineering, integration, and derivation, trigonometry. That's us. That's what we should do. In N5, if you're doing N5, we have 2 sections for integration. I don't know what's your.
No, I'm planning to do the whole thing.
Okay.
I'm planning. Hopefully.
You
That's
get-
what I'm just gonna do a saying like, okay.
I don't know whether you're just want to be interested in.
No,
It's nice to get
hopefully,
the
hopefully the whole thing.
Because there are most people will take like a couple of years, it's maybe 2 years to get it. Well, only with the experience, 1 year now.
8 times 3 is 24. Minus 24.
First half.
We won't mention that in people, we won't tell them that. We'll think like that.
3, 6, 18.
Tell them how you suffered.
18.
Who has experience? I wish I could get the experience. Huh?
3 minus 18. 3 minus 18. 15.
Everybody pass this step.
3 minus 18. 15.
Okay, girls? Now pass this step here. Okay, can we go to brackets? Can we get our brackets? Yeah?
One question. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, right? If you just put it as 2, 3, 4, is that an issue?
Wait a minute.
I'm talking about the exponents, the thing, yeah.
Oh no, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. No, but I find it easier like that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Only if they ask you for, they ask you to calculate the cofactor. You know what I said the cofactor is? It's t, it's the sine, and the minor.
Yeah.
Right. If they ask you to calculate the cofactor of 3, you don't multiply the 3, just multiply them and they're done. That's how it should.
The what's this?
Okay, like,
So 5 rounds is 1.8.
let's get to it, right? Okay, can we open up brackets?
Oh, you lost the mark.
Yes.
Okay,
Oh, I didn't go there.
so that's positive 3, negative 1, negative 2. That's fine?
Yeah.
Okay, x to be negative 8,
X.
2 minus 1. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay. That would be positive 6. That would be 4 minus 4. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open up this brackets. This will be negative 9.
9.
Open up this here, that will be times 8. Say 2. Okay, so it's just 3 times that will be
18.
18. Okay, what's our answer?
Minus 15.
Answer is minus 15. Everyone happy with that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct.
This one is
That is indeed correct. Okay, so you know what our answer is? The answer is minus 15. Okay, then straightforward. Looking up for x. Nx over delta. We got minus 27, minus 15. Give me a decimal.
1.8.
Huh?
1.8.
1.8. 1.8. That is correct. So that x is 1.8. Is that fine?
So we do y and then.
What is the time, guys?
10 to 10.
Okay, let's leave that example for.
Okay, we continue. Must we continue with the y and the z? Or we leave it?
Okay, continue it, but let me just give you an example for the weekend. Actually, like for the weekend.
Even smiling.
Yeah. Did you see the Japanese I actually put this in the test for one of the guys. Like, yo. But they knew how to do it, but I just want to see it. But having it here. Okay, so you'll work on the y and x, or the z and y on its own. We'll finish it up tomorrow. Whoever comes tomorrow will finish it up tomorrow. And then we'll do more examples.
It's example you're giving us, no, there's nothing new. It's what we've learned already.
No, it's exam. It's exam time. This is just a taste of what's to come. Okay. Woo. Hey.
Even the pin one, right? The pin one.
And check that evil smile.
No, but it's quite simple. It's quite simple. So, yeah. So it's nothing against them, okay? This was 6 marks in the exam. Yeah, 6 marks.
Is the body not good at
Right. solve for m. Okay. Tomorrow we leave this one for last. Tomorrow. It's just something for us to work with. Huh? Solve for the element m. We are not solving for x, y, or z like how we were here. There is no nx over d, ny over d. We are solving for an element. We already got our final answer of this entire determinant. We are not looking for anything. We know what this determinant is. It's equal to 0.
So now you're backward.
Now we're working backwards. Okay.
That's it, this thing new.
No. If you want to go forward, you should be able to work backwards.
Shit. I will try it out.
Yeah.
Will be close
It's
enough.
really interesting, but
Yeah. So you can just take it down, and then by the time you finish up now.
the whole page for this.
No, it's less. It's much less than the same.
It's 6 months. Will be less.
But this is the exam. That's the exam.
Yeah, this is an exam question that I even use.
The picture of these for M, that's it.
Yes, just solve for them. 6 months.
But basically, your method will be similar to this.
Why did you add the half?
No, but what I'm saying is basically you
If you, I taught you method now. It's really in the method.
Sign. Is that a half sign?
Just apply it now.
That's a half.
Just apply it. That's all.
Yo.
Right, with fractions,
You really have to put a.
try and choose a column that might eliminate the fraction.
Fraction.
But remember, you cannot eliminate the m because we need the m to solve it. This is a baby one. Okay.
That's this.
If we can take that home if you want and solve it, or we can carry on with y and z. Not sure. That's what I should carry on with. One day figure out.
So you want us to do the y z now or do it?
Whatever you want. If you want to calculate for m, it won't take you long to calculate for m. It's under 5 minutes. Y and z will take you long. So whichever one. Okay.